Hey everyone! Ever feel like managing social media content is a never-ending hustle? Today, we're excited to walk you through the Social Media Content Generation AI Agent, your new best friend for crafting engaging posts effortlessly, right inside the Delaverse playground. What's the buzz about this AI agent? This clever agent automates the whole content creation process, pulling from your brand guidelines, style inspirations, and posting calendar to generate ready-to-share social media magic. Whether it's tweets, Instagram captions, or LinkedIn updates, it saves you hours while keeping everything on brand and consistent. Imagine fresh content flowing without the daily grind. That's the power of Delaverse at work. Getting started. Where to find it? Log into your Delaverse account and head straight to the playground. It's super easy. Just click New Project to start from scratch. Or if you want to skip ahead, import a pre-built JSON workflow file for instant setup. No coding required. It's all drag and drop fun. Breaking down the magic. Key components. Let's unpack how this agent comes together, step by step, in a way that's as simple as scrolling your feed. Fuel it with your ideas. Start by linking up your data sources. Think Google Docs for your content guidelines, a file spot for uploading style examples, like PDFs of your favorite posts, and a Google Sheet to map out your calendar, topics, dates, and all. This keeps everything organized and ready for the AI to dip into. The AI brain at the center. Connect those sources to the AI assistant node, nicknamed Social Media Content Generator. Here you set simple instructions on how to whip up posts based on your calendar and guidelines. It's like giving the AI your creative brief in plain English. Output ready for the world. From the AI, route your new content to another Google Doc for easy editing and storage. Add a Telegram connection to ping you with notifications or share drafts instantly. And for that visual pop, hook up an image generation node to create eye-catching graphics from simple prompts. Set it and forget it. Cap it off with a trigger node to automate runs, maybe daily at your ideal posting time. Just connect it to the AI and watch the workflow hum along on autopilot. Analytics and monitoring. Delaverse makes it a breeze to stay in the loop. Fire up the workflow with a test run via the trigger. Then hop to your dashboard to track every execution. You'll see logs of what's been generated, peek at outputs in your docs, and get real-time Telegram alerts. It's all about transparency, so you can tweak and improve without guesswork. Know exactly what's working and celebrate those smooth content drops, the real wins. Benefits that pay off. This isn't just automation, it's a time saver that boosts your online presence. Generate consistent, high-quality content faster, freeing you up to engage with your audience or brainstorm big ideas. Plus, with visuals included, your posts stand out, potentially growing your reach and interactions. It's like having a 24/7 content team working for you, all within Delaverse's seamless ecosystem. Pro tips. Level up your agent. Want to take it further? Dive deeper by adding extra data sources for more variety, fine-tuning the AI's instructions for your unique voice, or linking to other channels like email newsletters or direct social platform integrations. Head to your project settings for those custom tweaks. It's motivating to see how expandable this gets as your needs evolve. Why you'll love it. Level up your content game. There you have it. The Social Media Content Generation AI agent turns chaotic posting into a streamlined, creative joyride. Gain clarity on your strategy, empower your brand with effortless consistency, and watch your community grow. Jump into the playground today, build yours, and share your wins with the Delaverse crew. Let's create something amazing together.